In this video, you'll learn how to test Base44 applications effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to create and evaluate your app ideas within the Base44 platform. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website, open a web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which includes various options for app development. Next, locate the section labeled, "What will you build today?" Click on this prompt to proceed. After clicking, a new screen will appear that encourages you to describe your app idea or select from available templates. After that, you will see a text box where you can enter your app idea. Alternatively, you can choose to browse through the templates provided by Base44. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your project. Once you've described your idea or selected a template, look for the option labeled Highlight It. Clicking this will allow you to see more details about the app concept you are considering. This feature helps you visualize your project better. Following this, click on Ideas to get started. This will present you with various app ideas that you can use as inspiration. If you find an idea that resonates with you, feel free to select it. If you decide to choose an idea, you can do so at this point. It will help you streamline the development process and focus on a specific concept. Next, navigate to the section labeled Recent Apps. Clicking here will show you a list of applications you have created or interacted with recently. This is helpful for accessing your past projects quickly. After that, select one of the projects you wish to test. Clicking on the project will take you to the project details page where you can review the app's features and settings. Now it's time to test the project to ensure it functions correctly. Interact with the app as an end user would, checking for any addressing. Once you've completed testing, look for the home button within the project interface. Clicking this will return you to the main dashboard of your Base44 account. Next, find the suggestions option. Clicking on this will provide you with feedback or recommendations for improving your app based on the testing process. Finally, consider clicking on Chat AI or Prompt to add more functions to your app if desired. This feature allows you to enhance your project further by incorporating advanced functionalities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.